Hey everyone, it's Sharad, and I'm so excited to share this video with you all. Today we're diving deep into the world of golden milk, this incredible drink that's been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. You might know it as turmeric milk, and let me tell you, it's not just a trendy drink, it's packed with a potent punch of health benefits, all backed by science. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to whip up at home. So stick around as we break down the top 10 science-backed benefits of golden milk and show you exactly how to make it yourself. You definitely don't want to miss this. Let's kick things off with the star of the show, turmeric. This ancient spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, and it's easy to see why. This vibrant spice gets its golden hue from a compound called curcumin, a potent antioxidant. Curcumin is not just a pretty face, it packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Now you might be wondering, why are antioxidants so important? What role do they play in our bodies and why should we care? Well, imagine your cells constantly under attack from these things called free radicals. They're like little troublemakers that can damage your cells and lead to all sorts of health issues. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases and aging. That's where antioxidants swoop in like superheroes, neutralizing these free radicals and protecting your cells from harm. They help to maintain the balance in your body and keep your cells functioning optimally. And curcumin, it's like the Superman of antioxidants, fighting off those free radicals with incredible strength. Its unique chemical structure allows it to effectively neutralize free radicals and even boost the activity of other antioxidants in your body. Studies have shown that curcumin's antioxidant activity can even rival that of vitamins C and E. This makes it an incredibly valuable addition to your diet, especially if you're looking to boost your overall health and well-being. So, with every sip of golden milk, you're giving your body an army of antioxidants to keep those cells healthy and happy. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your health and protect your cells from damage. Now, if you're looking for natural ways to keep your blood sugar in check, golden milk deserves a spot on your radar. Studies have shown that curcumin, that powerful compound in turmeric, can actually help regulate blood sugar levels. It does this by improving insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to shuttle glucose from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. And for those managing diabetes, this is huge. Golden milk can be a great complementary approach to your existing diabetes management plan, but remember, it's always important to consult with your doctor to make sure it aligns with your individual needs. Inflammation. It's your body's natural response to injury or infection. When you get hurt or catch an infection, your immune system kicks into gear, sending white blood cells to the affected area to protect and heal. This process is essential for recovery. But chronic inflammation, that's when things can get a little messy. Unlike acute inflammation, which is short-term and beneficial, chronic inflammation lingers and can become a silent enemy. It's like a fire alarm that won't stop blaring, and over time it can contribute to a whole host of health problems. From heart disease to diabetes and even certain cancers, chronic inflammation is linked to many serious conditions. The good news is golden milk can help. This ancient remedy, made from turmeric, milk and other spices, has been used for centuries to combat inflammation. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, acts like a fire extinguisher, effectively calming down that inflammatory response. It's been extensively studied for its ability to reduce inflammation and pain. Think of it as a natural way to soothe those aches and pains, whether it's from a tough workout, arthritis, or even just everyday wear and tear. Incorporating golden milk into your routine can provide relief and improve your quality of life, or even just everyday wear and tear. The anti-inflammatory benefits of golden milk can help you recover faster and feel better. And the best part, you're tackling inflammation at its root, promoting overall well-being from the inside out. By addressing the underlying causes of inflammation, you're not just masking the symptoms, but fostering a healthier, more vibrant you. Want to give your brain a little extra love? Golden milk is your new best friend. Curcumin, that superstar ingredient, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly impact your brain cells and support cognitive function. Studies suggest that curcumin may help boost levels of BDNF, a growth hormone that's essential for learning and memory. So whether you're hitting the books, navigating a demanding workday, or just want to keep your mind sharp as a tack, golden milk can be a delicious way to support your brain health. Feeling a little down? Golden milk to the rescue? This sunshine in a mug beverage can actually work wonders for your mood. Curcumin's been shown to boost levels of serotonin and dopamine, those feel-good chemicals in your brain that are responsible for happiness and well-being. It's like giving your brain a warm hug from the inside out. Plus, the act of taking a moment for yourself to sip on something warm and comforting can do wonders for stress reduction and relaxation. So, the next time you need a little mood boost, ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a cup of golden milk. Your mind and body will thank you. When it comes to your heart health, golden milk is a true champion. Curcumin's been shown to support cardiovascular health in a number of ways. First off, it helps reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that can clog your arteries. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting your blood vessels from damage caused by those pesky free radicals we talked about earlier. And to top it off, curcumin can help lower blood pressure, reducing strain on your heart and blood vessels. So, by incorporating golden milk into your routine, you're giving your heart some serious TLC and supporting its long-term health. Now let's talk about cancer. While golden milk isn't a cure-all, studies have shown that curcumin, with its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, may play a role in cancer prevention. Research suggests that curcumin can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even induce their death, particularly in certain types of cancer like colon cancer, breast cancer, and prostate cancer. It's important to note that more research is needed in this area, but the potential benefits of golden milk in cancer prevention are certainly promising. Want to give your immune system an extra layer of protection? Golden milk is here to help. Curcumin, with its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, acts like a shield for your immune system, helping it fight off those pesky invaders like bacteria and viruses. It's like giving your body's natural defense system a powerful upgrade. And if you do happen to catch a bug, golden milk's soothing properties can help ease those uncomfortable symptoms and get you back on your feet faster. If you struggle with digestive issues, golden milk can be your new go-to for gut health. Turmeric has long been used in traditional medicine to aid digestion and soothe digestive discomfort. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help calm inflammation in the gut, providing relief from bloating, gas, and indigestion. It can also help stimulate the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and improving nutrient absorption. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestion and keep things moving smoothly, golden milk is definitely worth a try. Strong bones are essential for a healthy and active life, and guess what? Golden milk can lend a helping hand. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to support bone health. Studies suggest that curcumin may help increase bone mineral density, which is a measure of bone strength. This means that incorporating golden milk into your diet could potentially reduce your risk of osteoporosis and fractures, keeping your bones strong and resilient for years to come. And there you have it. 10 science-backed reasons why golden milk deserves a spot in your daily routine. This ancient beverage, rooted in Ayurvedic traditions, has been cherished for centuries for its incredible health benefits. Whether you're looking to enhance your cognitive functions or fortify your immune system, golden milk has got you covered. From boosting your brain power to strengthening your bones, this golden elixir is a true testament to the power of nature. The combination of turmeric, ginger, and other spices creates a potent drink that not only tastes delicious, but also supports overall well-being. Imagine sipping on a warm, comforting cup of golden milk while knowing you're doing something great for your body. Now let's whip up a batch of this magic milk. It's incredibly easy to make and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Plus, it's a fantastic way to incorporate more anti-inflammatory ingredients into your diet. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite milk. Almond, coconut, or dairy all work great. And feel free to experiment with different types to find your perfect blend. Each type of milk brings its own unique flavor and nutritional profile to the table. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, which is the star ingredient known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric is what gives golden milk its vibrant color and numerous health benefits. Half a teaspoon of ground ginger, adding a zesty kick and additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger is also great for digestion and can help soothe an upset stomach. A pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb the curcumin better, enhancing the bioavailability of turmeric's active compound, curcumin. Without black pepper, your body might not fully benefit from turmeric's properties. And a drizzle of honey or maple syrup to taste. This adds a touch of sweetness and balances the spices perfectly. You can adjust the amount based on your preference for sweetness. Simply combine all the ingredients in a small saucepan and whisk until smooth. This ensures that all the spices are well incorporated and the mixture is free of lumps. Heat over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until steaming. Be careful not to let it boil, as this can affect the flavor and texture of the milk. Pour into your favorite mug, sit back, relax, and enjoy the incredible benefits of golden milk. It's the perfect drink to wind down your day or to start your morning with a boost of health. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, as your support helps us create more content like this. Share it with your friends and family so they too can discover the wonders of golden milk and its numerous health benefits. And subscribe to my channel for more healthy tips and tricks. We have a lot of exciting content planned that you won't want to miss. Until next time, stay healthy. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can lead to big improvements in your overall health.